Hi mga kablis, we're here at Hamana Homes and we're actually with our client. So magti-tripping tayo sa Lamea unit model and we're actually with LTP, the CEO of Hamana Homes.
This is Lamea unit, but this is the Lamea unit's only restricted to phase 1 because yung upgrade nga namin doon is the Canilla. So the Canilla is really upgraded already. Yeah. Yes, come. Sir, come. Yeah.
And then, sir, makita mo concrete na siya and then still natin. So,
itong wood plant na gamit natin. Dito, hindi pinagtagpig sa society. Medyo ano tayo dito, confident tayo na ito nasa nito longer than your strength.
Yes, in quality, actually, ang pinupagpagal nito is quality talaga.
This wall provides you a cooler atmosphere than outside. Kasi asphalt absorbs actually heat, and therefore, yung cooling nito is -6 degrees compared to outside. So, magagawang ba?
Natural air.
Yes.
Since maluwag din actually sa labas eh.
Yan ang naganda. Yung through and our window to wall ratio is 26, which means that you don't have to put on the light at all times. All you have to realize na natural light. Natural light lang. Kasi dami na yung sabi. The intention really is to provide the natural lighting. 26% versus the total wall. So,
AC, people invest, and medyo layo naman dito.
Grabe po yung quality, no? Yes. Yes.
And, ito yung ito, Ronaldo. Karamihan dito pa no? Ito, lang.
Sorry pa.
So, yung may available space.
Yes, back.
Kasi when you start already, living a nice situation. Laundry,
Thank you so much po. Thank you.